Hi, my name's Corey. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm reviewing the bead bag and what it holds. The bag size is almost 10 inches long. It's 9 3/4. It's 7 inches tall and 4 inches wide. So it does hold a fair amount of items. The leather is 3 types. It's smooth leather on the top, pebbled leather on the body, front and back, and suede on the sides and the bottom. It comes with 3 removable straps, the brass finished chain, the smooth leather top handle, and the crossbody strap in smooth leather, which I've removed for today. It has brass rivets that hold the bag on. When you first start using these kinds of straps, they can be hard to get on and off, but since I've been working with it, it's a lot easier. I do prefer this strap over the dog leash clip because I do think it's more secure. But yeah, it's got a beautiful strap, thick and soft, smooth leather. For now, I'm going to remove the chains while I review what's inside. It's got a microfiber interior and the beautiful brass studs, rivet studs all the way around. There's 4 compartments. The front compartment is the largest. I've been able to fit glasses, key fob with my car remote, a medium-sized wallet that's fairly wide, an SLG that's about half full. It has my pen and comb and anything sharp that might scratch my bag to keep in there. Then there's a zippered compartment, very secure, beautiful zipper that Coach is known for. Then the back compartment is just slightly smaller than the front. I've got a mask and a full-size SLG that's full of medicine, eye drops, Kleenex. The back slip pocket has a snap closure, and it's perfect for your wipes or receipts or just to stash a couple dollars, tickets, whatever. The back of the bag has a really nice slip pocket that holds my Samsung 9 Plus very easily. It's also got a case on it. When the bag is full, there is a little bit of bulging, but this pebbled leather is a lot more forgiving than this smooth leather. I'm not as worried about stretching it. Just for reference, I can show you that this bag would actually hold a pint of water very easily. My wallet, my keys, and still close. Of course, I don't think many of us would put water in a bag like this, but just to show you that it would fit. Now I'm going to put everything back. This bag has not been broken in. I haven't carried it. When you do have it full, I'm not really going to want to use this top handle. It's very cumbersome. It's kind of weighty on your wrist. but this chain strap is awesome. It has a 9-inch drop, and it's perfect. You don't feel the weight at all. It tucks comfortably under your arm. I'm quite sure that the shoulder strap, crossbody strap, would make the bag even lighter. But I normally would not put all these items in my bag. I would normally just take like a wallet and one SLG. That's perfect for me. I hope you get a chance to see this bag in person. It's really beautiful. Meanwhile, thank you for stopping by my channel for a peek at what it fits. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe. I appreciate it. Bye now.